Right. So say making those changes on the clip page is not enough for you. You want to make more customized changes to it. You can simply click edit. And that will direct you into our Vizard editor, which is far more powerful than the clip page. All right. So if you click on this little Caesar icon over here, let's get into the editor. All right. So this is the editor view. So you can see that it's consisted of 4 parts. On the left-hand side is a transcript/subtitle area where you are able to add the video, like editing a document. So for example, if you want to remove the "but yeah, we put through" that section, you can simply select that and then delete it, which can make it really simple. And if there's a typo, for example, you can also just simply click on it and change the captions really easily. And in the middle of the section is the Canva section, which is really like all the other editors such as Final Cut Pro or CapCut. We have this Canva section where you can simply drag and drop everything. For example, you can add like your logos, or you can add overlays and everything up here, to make your clips look really creative and things like that. On the right-hand side, we got our toolbars. We have AI tools, the brand kit section for business users. We also have the template section, the subtitle section, and you can upload your own videos or images or music. And this audio one, we just launched this feature earlier today. Now we enable you to add music to your clips. You can select from our library or upload your own music. We also have the B-roll section, transition, and text. And last part in the editor is our timeline. So timeline-based editing enable you to make edits real fast. Okay, in this clip, I have already added the AI B-rolls, which I'm going to show you.
It's not just the next comeback of music for us. We really believe that we are making a cultural move with what we're doing, and we want to leave a great mark for the history. And
all right, so in this part of the B-roll that I want to change the duration of the B-roll, I can simply drag and drop it, and then I can drag and drop the B-roll on the timeline for it to be on the exact timestamp that I really want it to be. Or I can also, just delete this B-roll simply by hitting the delete option on my keyboard. If I want another B-roll, for example, I can select the B-roll option over here. So I have 2 options. One option is to upload my own B-roll. So I have already uploaded something. So I'll select this picture of Jenny. So her picture is automatically added here. And I can also hit B-roll and then search for some keywords here. For example, I want an orange cat. So here are the assets of an orange cat from the asset library. So we support assets from Storyblocks and Pexels. So for example, I really like this cute guy, and then I'll just select this cute guy, and this cute guy will be automatically added here. And I can, play around with it on the timeline, like say here.
I think that because there's a lot. It's a lot to.
All right. So I want this cute little guy to be here, and I want to really want to change this little guy. I want this little guy to be smaller, so I can just do it, make the edits on the canvas. All right, and then cool,
because there's a lot. It's a lot.
And then I want the section to make this picture bigger, and I can do that. And the next thing is that I can quickly change the ratio on the toolbar too. So say if I change it to 1:1, like the square ratio, I hit apply, and then this becomes a square ratio, and I can also change the background and the layouts. So this layout is my favorite because the face of the interviewers will be, and the speakers will be really clear. But I can also select this ratio so that there's more background, or this ratio is perfect if there are 2 speakers and you want 2 speakers to be on the same screen. So right now I'm gonna select this and then add my B-rolls at the bottom.
A lot to be separated and then come.
So this is how I can do it. And if you click on the speaker or the B-rolls that you added, there are also some features that you can use. So for example, if I click on this icon, it can help me change the shape of the B-roll or the speaker. I'll change it into circle right here. And for Jenny, if you click on this little radius icon, then it enables you to change the radius. See, like on the radius over there. And you can also duplicate and like select all the different layers, or like label the speaker and the B-roll, so that when you make layouts, it won't mess up with the speaker and the B-rolls. So this is about the canvas section. And I really want to show you guys a new feature that we recently have as animation. So if you click on the B-roll, either as a video B-roll or a picture B-roll, and then you can hit on the animation part. So you can select the in and out animation for this B-roll. Say if I select fade for in and slide for out, and I can select the duration and the direction of this animation, and you can see what it looks like.
It's a lot to be separated and then come back to group and to even agree on something like that.
You see the animation over there, like how Jenny's picture as a B-roll is in and out, which can be super cool that you can use all the different animation styles. The next thing that I want to show you guys is a template. So basically, you can add it as a template. And you can name the template and then make the edits here on the template. So you can select the layout of it, the dynamic subtitle styles, and the headline styles. You can also add background or logo or your own outro over there. So those are the recommended templates that Vizard already have. And as I showed you earlier, there's also brand template and my own template, which can all be used really well. And then there are subtitles if you really don't like this business kind of style of like simple and a little bit serious of style. You can always change them. We have so many different options. You can select the Mr. Beast favorite like dynamic subtitle style, and there are other ones that are super cool too. And another thing that I really want to show is the audio. We just launched this feature earlier today, so you will be able to add music. You can simply type in keywords. So I would type in chill, and it will give me like the chill ambience and background chill selections, and I can just like simply hit on the plus icon and then add it to the timeline. So on the timeline, I'm able to drag and drop it, and if I want it to be longer or shorter, I can just like simply do that on the timeline. And there's also sound effect. So, okay, there's no chill sound effect, but there's magic wand. So say if I add this magic wand sound effect to the timeline, it will be like this.
Us to really understand the responsibility, I think, that because it's a lot to be separated and then come back as a group, and to even agree on something like that is, I don't know if people understand, but is a very
So right now, after music and sound effect are added to the timeline, it just like looks so amazing. You're actually also able to upload your own music. Say if you click on this upload icon, which I did, I uploaded a song that I wrote for Vizard earlier, and then if I just click on it, and to that, this song that I wrote for Vizard is automatically added. I'll play it for you guys.
Yeah, we go through, and I'm excited for what's next for Blackpink too.
Yeah. So
and I'm excited.
That is like we have such amazing editor that we enable you to add so many like different B-rolls from the library or your own ones, and we have the audio and everything, which makes it a lot more easier. And the last thing in the editor that I want to show you guys is the transition. So some people have the question of, okay, how do I add the transitions? It is actually really simple.
Oh.
So basically, you can select the split here, like this icon on the timeline, and you hit it, and then that will separate the whole clip into different things. And here, if you click on this like little transition icon, and you will be able to select different styles. Now I'm gonna select the comic style, and here I can select the duration of this transition, and you can also see how it's gonna look like on the timeline. So if I turn it to 2.6 seconds, let's see what it looks like
in the best way possible. So
you see the comic like sort of like exploding transition right here. So that is how you do it, and you can always change the duration of it. Yeah, which can make your editing like so much easier. And like we are trying to be as versatile as possible for you to edit everything in our editor. So yeah, that's all about the clip page and the AI editor right now.